So here and welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Well, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a tiny website that fits in a QR code. Now, in order to do it, you don't need to pay anything or open any software. Just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for itty slash dot bitty dot site. You can see the right URL if I pronounce it wrong by any chance. Now just simply go to this website. Let's wait for it to respond. You can do the same steps from our smartphones as well. Now here you're gonna see you can just simply type anything you want that you want to be converted into a link. Now just simply write this is a sample. Once I write it, I can see the number of bits I have converted. Now here just simply hit on this option of save, and here you're gonna see a link is generated that I can share anywhere I want. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.